To foundation level 3. Today I'm going to show you how to create a creeping mask. Creeping mask is basically putting an image inside an object or inside a shape. Example, when you see funeral posters, you see the main picture and then you see that one of the picture has been put into a frame. Now if you observe the poster very well, you could see that the image is within the frame, meaning it is behind the frame. So that is called creeping mask. That is what we are going to do for today. So let's get started. Okay, now let's bring in our sheet by pressing Ctrl N. Now we have our A4 sheet. Here. So let's give it a color. So let me open it and then give it a color. You have the color overlay. So let me give it, let's see, this color. Okay, I prefer this one. Okay, now we have to import our image. So I am bringing in an image of my choice. So you go to File, Place. Okay, I want Gavi. Now the main image has been put into the working space. Now this is the main image. It has been put into the working space. So we are going to create a creeping mask for this image. Okay, we are going to create a creeping mask for this image. So I'm going to show you the two ways we create creeping mask: by putting the image in a shape or in a frame. So let's start with the shape first. So let's bring in a rectangle or a square. Now we have our square. Okay, this is our square. Okay, now we want to create the creeping mask. So you go to File again, you click on Place, then you select your image. Okay, now you are going to place the image on the shape. You are going to place the image on the shape that you have drawn. Okay, then you right click on this, then you select Create Creeping Mask. Now you have seen that the image has moved into the rectangle. So this is called the creeping mask. This is what I am talking about. So we are done with the shape one. Now you can see that the image has moved into the shape. This is called the creeping mask. And you can give it a stroke so that you could see the shape very well. So let's give it a stroke of which that can bring what we have drawn out very well. So let's choose white because we have blue color over there. So let's say 6. No, this is not okay. Let's say 15. Okay, so we have to select the rectangle, then we give the rectangle a stroke. Okay, now we have white. Okay, then let's say 15. Let's say 20. Okay, Now you have seen that gravity has moved into the shape. So this is the first part. So sometimes you will see some posters, some flyers, you will see a circle of which the image is inside. They are all what? Shapes of which they have created the clipping mask. And so let's do same for the frame. Okay, now bring in your frame. So you click on place. Then you bring in your frame. So when you are downloading the frame, don't download the ones that come with PNG. Download the one that come as JPEG or the image ones. That ones are the good ones. Okay, so when you bring an image, or that's the frame, then it comes with this white one. Just zoom it and then clear that part off. So you just pick your rectangular lasso tool, then you trim that part. You trim that white part away. Okay, now you just click on this place, that is add layer mask. Okay, now we have our frame. So you just select your main image, you click on Ctrl+J, that is duplicate, then you choose one. Just bring the copy to top of it and then resize it. Just resize it. Just resize it. Just resize it, then click on the copy, then create clipping mask. Okay, now you see that the image is within the frame. So you just zoom it. Now you have your image in the frame. So this is called clipping mask. This is called clipping mask.